G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And tonight I'm doing a video on top 3 tips for your Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this is a bit of a dig at Samsung because I can. Now, most of you remember my last video on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it was top 5 reasons not to get it, I think. Anyway, I'll link it here somewhere. It got a lot of traction, but a lot of people were upset. And it was people who'd already bought the phone were upset that I was bagging it. And I just spent $1,800 on it myself, and I was bagging it because I got ripped off. But anyway, all that aside, I'm stuck with this phone now. It didn't get sent to me. I have to pay for it. That's why I can review it freely and fairly and warn people about it. But what are some things you need to do to get the most out of your Galaxy S21 Ultra? And the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make it so that your display is at the highest refresh rate. You don't spend $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800 on this device to have it running at 60 Hz when it can actually run at 120 Hz. I think that's terrible that Samsung does that. And you know, they do it for the battery. They do it for the battery life because they know that their battery can't handle it, even though it's a huge battery. So they make it, throttle it to 60 Hz, but give you the option to turn it up to 120. It should just be 120, but who cares? How do you do that? You go into your display settings. So go to your settings, then display, then motion smoothness. Tap here. As you can see, it says adaptive. So get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. That's where you want it. Standard is 60 Hz on everything, and that's a scam. Screw you, Samsung. You gave us 120. Make sure we get it. So that's how you can do that. Now, that's a bit of a dig. I don't really care. Next one is to do with the display as well. Set your screen resolution to as high as you possibly can. Look at this. They actually give you the option to have it running on 720p. Why would you do that? Why would you have a $1,500, $1,800 phone running on 720p display? You wouldn't. Set it to 32 by 1440 and have it maxed out. With that refresh rate and that display resolution, you're going to really enjoy your experience much better. And I think it is a really valid tip. Make sure you're getting the best out of your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, I should mention, both of those things are going to chew your battery life up. And you think Samsung, with all its clout and all its abilities, would have designed it better in terms of software and power and consumption. But they don't. And they don't put a charger in the box. They want you to spend more money on a charger. But don't buy theirs. Buy this one from Belkin. This is a GAN charger, G-A-N, and it stands for gallium nitride. And gallium nitride is your next silicon. It's better than silicon. So it can actually have more power running through it at any time, and it can absorb a higher voltage. So it won't heat up as much. It's going to be better in the long run. So this is the new silicon, and this one here comes in with 2 USB-Cs, one at 18 watt and one at 50 to 60 watt. So you can actually charge your laptop while you're charging your phone. You can have plugged in either one. So I think that's a really good charger. Definitely pick one up. Links down below. If you just bought your S21 Ultra and you've got this far into the video and you want a definite power brick, highly recommend it. Belkin gallium nitride charger, dual USB-C. My last tip, I'm only giving 3 out, is a practical one. So if I go, I'm here at my home screen, right? And I go, okay, got to put my phone in my pocket, double tap, and it goes to sleep. To me, that is a really practical feature that is worth having on any phone. So if you do have it, you should turn it on. And I also have double tap to wake. Ba-bum-bum, and then unlock just like that. Sorry, just had to get rid of a notification. Didn't want to bomb anyone out. But I probably already have anyway. So double tap to sleep, double tap to wake. For me, really practical, really important to set up. So let's go into the settings, scroll down to advanced features. Motions and gestures, double tap to turn on screen, double tap to turn off screen. Really nice to have, really handy, definite must do for your Galaxy S21 Ultra and maybe your Galaxy S21 as well. I don't have all of them, just this one. So if it's in there, utilize it, crank up your display, crank up your refresh rate and double tap to turn on off. 3 practical, useful, enjoyable features to help you get the most out of your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Don't forget the game charger by Belkin. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!